Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another review video. And today I will be reviewing the Instant Look in a palette, a face palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is the Stoned Rose Beauty. It comes in two other shades, in Gorgeous Glowing Beauty and Smoky Eye Beauty. So to be honest, the only difference in these three palettes it is that the Smoky Eye palette, the number 3 would be a black shade, and on the Glowing Beauty, the number 3 shade, it will be, I believe, a little bit darker than the shade on the Stoned Rose Beauty. I don't own the other two palettes, but I did my research and I found the Stoned Rose Beauty to be more suitable for my taste. So this palette retails for $75 or 69 euros, and you will be getting 5 shades of 2 grams and 2 shades of 6 grams. Okay, you guys, so this is how the palette looks like. It is this classic luxury packaging that almost every palette from Charlotte Tilbury has. And then here on the back you have the name of the palette, Instant Look in a Palette, Stoned Rose Beauty. So when you open that up, you get a beautiful big mirror. This is perfect. And then here we have the shades. So we get 3 shades for the eyes, we get a bronzer, we get 2 beautiful pink shades for the cheeks as a blush, and then some highlight. Now bear in mind, these colors you can combine between them. You can if you want, use the bronzer as well on your eyes, or these 2 pink colors as a shadow. You know, you can do like many combinations as you want. So I found that to be a very good product on the go when you travel, because you get you know, like your bronzer, your highlight and your blush, and as well the eyeshadows. So before I try this palette out and do a quick tutorial, I will be swatching the colors first. So the first color that I will be swatching is the number 1, Brighten. As you can see, it is a shimmery color, very light. You can barely see it on my skin. The second color, it is Enhance. This is again a shimmery color, somehow like a brown light color, very beautiful. Then we have number 3 in Smoke. This is a matte brown color, again very beautiful. Next we have the bronzer, the number 4. I don't know if you can tell now on camera, but it is not like a matte bronzer. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. Now moving on, we have number 5, Swish. A beautiful pink color, very sweet. Then we have number 6 in Pop. Again a pink color. It is a little bit darker than number 5. And the last color, it is the number 7, the Highlight. Again a light shimmery color. So these are the 7 shades from this Stoned Rose face palette. Beautiful colors for every skin tone. So now let's do some makeup. So I will be taking a fluffy brush, this one by MAC Cosmetics in the number 224. I will grab from the palette the shade number 1 in Brighten, and I will apply that all over my eyelid. Now, by taking a smaller fluffy eyeshadow brush like this one by BH Cosmetics, I will go and take the number 2 Enhance, and I will apply it into my crease and here on the outer part of my eye to give some definition. Now, if you're familiar with the Charlotte Tilbury products, then you might know the Pillar Talk eyeshadow palette, and these colors kind of remind me of this palette. But I like the fact that I get to have a bronzer and the other 2 pink shades in it, so this is a good deal. Now, by taking a pencil brush, and I'm using this one by Charlotte Tilbury, I will go and take the 3rd shade in Smoke, and that I will apply on the outer part of my eye and on my lower lash line as well. Now I will take my face brush by BH Cosmetics in the number V2, and I will take the bronze number 4, and I will bronze my face. So this bronzer, it is amazing. I really like the shade of it, and very pigmented as well. I really like that. So now I will move to the cheeks, and I will be using this cheek brush from Real Techniques, and I will apply the number 5 Swish just a little bit here, and I'm bringing that up here to my temples. On top of that, I will use the Pop number 6. And with my highlighting brush from Luxie in the number 737, I will take the number 7 highlight and apply it on the highest points of my cheeks, and that is a beautiful highlighter, so bright, very beautiful. And then with a really small eyeshadow brush, I will take again this highlighter and apply it here on the inner corners and as well here on the lower lash line to really brighten up my eyes. Now on my lips, I will be applying the Stoned Rose lipstick as well from Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the first time that I'm trying this lipstick on my lips, and I kind of get the feeling that I had, you know, like spaghetti with tomato sauce in it. This is the feeling that I'm getting from this color, but overall it's very beautiful. So anyways, this is the final look that I have created using this beautiful face palette from Charlotte Tilbury, the Instant Look in a palette. In Stoned Rose. I really loved the palette. I really loved the shades that this palette has. I'm obsessed with the bronzer. Very beautiful, very natural looking. It is a good deal, especially if you are traveling and you don't want to have like a lot of products, because in one palette you have your eyeshadows, the bronzer, highlighter and a blush. So yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts about this product, and also just comment whatever you want. Also let me know what other products you would like me to review, and before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.